Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are back with another part of how to attract wealth instantly in 7 steps. Okay, anyway, back to our step number 2 here, which is to focus on what you have right now. Now this is a pretty good principle that a lot of people miss out on so much of the time. A lot of people do not really focus on what they have right now, they focus on what they want. And desire is very good. It's very important to look to the future and to look to what you desire to have. And to, of course, pull that into the present moment, use affirmations. If you need affirmations, I have a huge series of those on Amazon that I'll give you guys a link for in the description and the comments. But, you know, beyond that, like, really, affirmations can be extremely useful. They can really change your lives. They're one kind of method I super recommend here. But focusing on what you have is also a necessity that a lot of people miss out on. You see, the thing is, if you're never grateful for what you have right now, then it's pretty hard to ever be grateful for anything you can acquire in the future. So, I mean, gratitude's one of those things where some people get it right, and most of us just have some issues with it. And there's some good reasons why we have issues with gratitude. Because, for example, most of the time when we're told to be grateful for things, it's just like somebody saying, you should be grateful, when that person's not actually grateful. They just want you to kind of submit to their idea, and so it's not really about gratitude. But gratitude is so important. And if you're not grateful for things, it's really hard to acquire more things than what you already have, because the subconscious mind takes what you're saying and says, oh, you know, you're not grateful for this, so why should I ever help you with any of this stuff to get more of it? And that's really because the subconscious mind only exists in the present moment. So it doesn't have this kind of huge concept about the future and the past, a really good emotional attachment to it. So the present moment then is the most valuable spot. And if you can appreciate what you have right now, it's pretty easy to acquire more of it. If you can appreciate, oh, I can appreciate the money I have right now. I can appreciate this thing I have right now. So yes, desire things, pull them into the present moment with affirmations and methods like that. But it's also important to appreciate the now, to focus on what you already have. Because there's so many fantastic things within life. There's so many things that are good. And this is something a lot of people miss out on. They're like, oh, you know, the healthcare system in this country is bad compared to this, and we got this problem and that problem, and complaint. And while you can raise some good points about this, if you focus on this is what's going to expand in your life, okay? Because every single thing you say, everything you think is the seed you're planting within the garden of the subconscious. So you either can grow your weeds there, or you can grow flowers, you can grow vegetables, you can grow fruits. You want to grow something you want to grow, you know? And really that's the case here. So you want to have thoughts that are appreciative, because that's really what you're going to bring about in your future if you can appreciate what you have right now. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I mean, it's really just saying gratitude. I'm currently actually working on some gratitude affirmations, so I may link those up when I get myself a chance. Anyway, in the meantime, I can send you over to my Amazon stuff. I got some good things about affirmations if you want to check out that kind of material. Some of my work on the subconscious mind books over there. That kind of support can be appreciated. But of course, if you guys don't want to do that, then just stay here. Free content and whatnot for helping everybody improve our lives, because that's what this Enlightened Life series is about. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time with the next video.